Welcome to my channel, Decode Arch. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Decode Arch. In this part, we want to talking about the process design. Process design is my favorite part of this every designing, because in this part you need to start a project with a specific point, a beginning and ending. Without any waste time, move forward to this video and I will show you that and how do you create a drawing and process design paper, because you want to presentation yourself front of, for example, builder, everything. Process design is very important for every person, because you show them that your project has a framework and theory and a researcher. These are very important for every for example, boss, even competition, that especially competition. For this reason, and don't waste this video. before watching this video. If you like this, and thank you if you subscribe our channel and give me energy for better and create a better video for you.